Want to give your Android phone a fresh sound whenever someone calls? Changing your incoming call ringtone is quick and easy, and it lets you personalize your device with either a built-in ringtone or your favorite song. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration. In this menu, select Ringtone. If your phone uses two SIM cards, you may be asked to choose SIM 1 or SIM 2 before continuing. This allows you to set a different ringtone for each SIM if desired. You choose to use one of the phone's built-in ringtones. Simply browse through the available options. Tap on any ringtone name to hear a preview. Once you find a tone you like, tap it to select it. Your choice is saved automatically on most Android devices. If you'd rather use a custom song or audio file, tap the plus icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the sound picker or file selection menu. Browse your device and choose the music file, MP3 or audio clip you want to use as your ringtone. After selecting the file, tap Done or Save to confirm your choice. Some Android phones also allow you to choose a specific section of a song as the ringtone, making it easier to hear the best part when a call comes in. If the song doesn't appear in the list, make sure the audio file is stored locally on your device and is in a supported format. Your Android phone will now play the selected ringtone whenever you receive an incoming call. Personalizing your ringtone is a simple way to make your phone feel more unique and instantly recognize incoming calls without even looking at the screen.